all good things come to an end. I remember when I retired, one question people asked me without fail: what next? And I told them, I'll continue batting for India. But this time, the pitch is different, and so is the team. See, when I was an active cricketer, there were many initiatives that we were supporting. But it wasn't organized, it wasn't structured. After I stopped playing cricket, we sat together and it was Anjali's idea to start the foundation. We decided to support certain initiatives in three verticals, which is education, sports, and health. If I'm not mistaken, 2019?
Correct.
So basically our foundation works with the children within India. We figured that with children, putting in a little bit has a multiplier effect. You know, if the children are fed well and the girls, when they have their children, their brains are just better developed, and it even has an effect on the GDP of the country, because then those children become just so much more productive.
You know, just overall a young and healthy nation, because we have the youngest average age population in the world. But is it healthy? Maybe the honest answer is no.
The children in these villages, you know, they lead such tough lives. They wake up early, they have to help with housework. Often they have to go into the fields and do work over there. So the little time that they get free where they're allowed to just go out and play, it just gives them so much more confidence that it's wonderful to see. We're not an organization that does sports for excellence. Ours is more sports to empower these children, and especially for the girls who are usually, you know, kept at home here. They come out, they're playing, they can speak better. So it does much more than just, you know, helping them in their sports.
The best part about sport is everyone is equal. You do well, the whole world appreciates you, and that's the greatest feeling. Actually, why don't we let the children do all the talking now?
Yes, over to Satara, to our news anchors for the day.
थँक यू सर, थँक यू मॅम. नमस्कार. आजची ताजी बातमी महाराष्ट्राच्या स्पोर्ट्स सेंटर वरून मी आहे सायली खासबगे. सचिन तेंडुलकर फाउंडेशनच्या मदतीने देशभरात सर्व मुलांना स्विमिंग, ॲथलेटिक्स, बॉक्सिंग, क्रिकेट, रेसलिंग याचा प्रोत्साहन दिले जाते. काही राज्यांमध्ये पुरुषांचे बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट आहेत आणि मुलींसाठी फुटबॉलचे कार्यक्रम चालवले जात आहेत. आमच्या साताऱ्यात हजारोपेक्षा जास्त मुले खेळाचे प्रशिक्षण घेत आहेत. जर का सचिन सर स्पोर्टचे चॅम्पियन असतील तर अंजली मॅम पण डॉक्टर आहेत. आरोग्याबाबत फाउंडेशननी भरपूर विचार केला आहे.
Do they do examination of ऐसा explain वगैरह देते हैं ना? Medicine and health is very close to my heart. We do surgical support, but we also support children in ICUs, which not many people want to do because the outcome is not great. You cannot guarantee that the children are going to do well. So I think that is a little bit of our differentiation.
Something that we're very proud of is our mother and child program. From pregnancy till when the child is born, those 1000 days, we take care of nutrition and overall medical support. Another thing we look at is surgeries in children that have facial deformities, such as cleft lip and palate.
मध्य प्रदेशमध्ये आदिवासी मुलांसाठी निवासी शाळा आहे. संगणकसह डिजिटल लॅब देखील आहे आणि कोणाला मदत हवी असेल तर शिष्यवृत्ती देखील दिली जाते आणि जेवणही दिले जाते. असे असेल तर स्पोर्ट झालं, शिक्षण झालं, आरोग्य झालं, मी काय इथे थांबले, चला मंडळी खेळायला जाऊया.
The partners, and in cricket also for us, the non-striker was important. We want to use this opportunity to thank all the partners for being there at the non-strikers and playing an important role in this partnership.
They are the ones who do the work at the grassroots level and are helping us in our dream of transforming India into a better place.
आपसे मिलके मुझे I got a lot of energy because I am also representing a team. You can see Sachin Tendulkar Foundation and the captain is right there. The second innings is as fulfilling and satisfying. Our foundation is a bit like street lamps, lighting up the path, enabling children to reach their destination. The distance won't get any shorter, but the journey possibly might get easier and safer.
नाही दोघींना भाग कुस्तीतच घेतलं तर आपलं मस्त वाटतंय आपलं लेकर आपलं शिक्षण मोर चांगलं होतंय ना त्यांचं आपलं
निवड करून जमत नाही त्याचे दोन्ही शिकले पाहिजेत मोठे झाले पाहिजेत
ते म्हणले की मला तुमची कोण अपेक्षा पाहिजे की मला शिकायला तुम्ही सोडलं पाहिजे मग आम्ही म्हणलं आमची काही अडचण नसणार आहे तुला जे करायचंय ते कर
मला नॅशनलला मेडल लावून आर्मीत भरती व्हायचंय आणि देशासाठी खेळायचंय.
नॅशनल मेडलिस्ट आहे मी आणि मी आता आर्मी जॉईन केली.
Through this foundation, if we can make this a better world for our children, we'd be super thrilled.